Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use date autofill in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, I would like to insert it on the first column, so I click on a column, and after that I need to click right mouse button here, and then I need to go to format cells. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut Ctrl+1 to do it, and here format cells window will be successfully displayed. Of course, we are interested in to go to numbers tab, and here we need to select date category. And now you need to select one from few available options. I recommend you to select maybe this one option or maybe this one option with year. It will be better readable for you. So I click on it and then I click OK. So now format has been successfully changed. So we can type here on the first cell simple date. For example 01/11/2025. Now I press enter. I click on the cell and I need to press and hold blue box on the right down corner. So I click left mouse button here and I hold it, and I will change position to the downside, maybe somewhere here. And how you see autofill for date works here properly. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.